Alright, it's my first plan with me in this a MUJI FAUXBONICHI, and with that, it's time to cue my new intro. Alright, so first of all, in case you missed it, I did a MUJI haul around 2 videos ago, showing this, and I also talked a bit about it, so if you missed it, it is in the description below, please check that out. But anyways, let's start off with the monthly spread and what I'm using that for. So currently, it is pretty general, it's just basically what I have in my Google Calendar, but on paper. I also have like some of my like social media goals here and like appointments and stuff. I'm also thinking of like pre-planning like my YouTube videos and stuff because I don't really have a place for that. So this planner started right in the beginning of August, which was so good for me, and it ends next year in September. So moving on to the weekly spread, this is what I did last week. I didn't use that many stickers. I only used the weather emojis because I was volunteering. I needed to take the bus every day. So as you can see, I went for a green theme, and this is just covering up my volunteering information. But anyways, I plan to do something similar this week. I am using this planner for pre-planning, and oh, if you do have a Hobonichi, please comment below what you write or put on the right page here because I don't know much how to use it. Right now, I have my history prep master list, what I need to study for, even though I haven't used it that much. I have a habit tracker here, a quote, and some weekly tasks, so I plan to do something similar this week. Alright, so first, something that I've liked to do so far in each of my spreads is to put a little bit of washi down. This time I'm doing it at the top, and this is a silver, like kind of, I don't know how to describe it, but it's a silver kind of washi tape from Michaels. Next, I'm marking in that the 5th was a civic holiday. I used my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen. That basically meant that some places were closed. I also used a gray icon to mark in that I needed to clean my room and also to study for history. This week I am not using a kit or anything. I'm just pulling out random leftover stickers and stickers that I have from my collection and trying to pull it all together into a theme. This week I tried to do like a grayscale theme. Didn't quite work out though, even though I did use a lot of gray and black things. So next I'm drawing in a line. To the left of that, I'm going to mark in how many hours I sleep, stuff like that. And to the right, on the right page, I am marking in my weekly focus. This week I had 3 things. Of course, first of all was my music history exam. Second of all, it was catching up on my YouTube videos because I have not uploaded a single video since coming back from Poland. And lastly, I marked in that we had relatives over this weekend. Next, I start with my habit trackers. I had one asking myself if I was productive. Now, I only needed this to make sure that I was studying for my history, so the exam was on Friday, so the weekend I didn't need to worry about it. On Tuesday, I marked in that it was Helen's birthday and the TCMC bundle event. I used a random balloon icon. And oh, this next part was corrupted. For some reason my camera just decided to stop recording, but I will have an explanation. So anyways, I'll just quickly take you through what I have. Helen's birthday and the TCMC bundle event, and as well this is a random sticker that doesn't match this week's theme, but whatever, I don't mind, it's special. I have a to-do list here and also a take note sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. to mark in that I have to study history. I can't believe that I didn't record this. Okay, moving on to Wednesday. So something that I have been doing with all the blank space is at the bottom of each page writing down a quote because I like quotes and they're nice in my planner. Don't really know how to explain it, but this week I went with "Be yourself, everyone else is already taken," and that is a quote from Oscar Wilde. I also used a bit of skinny black washi tape that I had lying around, so I just used that and trimmed it to size. Next, I think I will be marking in continuing studying because I was really underprepared. well, not underprepared in the exam, but I feel like because of the time, we started in like late June, and because I was on vacation for 2 weeks in July and also had a week of volunteering, I didn't get that much done during those 2 weeks, so I feel like in the final weeks we were studying way more than usual, way more than we usually do for these types of exams, but luckily it all worked out in the end. On Wednesday, I also finished up a video. On Thursday, I marked in that was 1 day until the exam, and I would be studying all day. I also made a list in my planner of what to study, for example, definitions of terms, composers, pieces, dates, and stuff like that. So on Friday, of course, I had to mark in that I had my history level 9 exam. I lettered in the exam part, and it was at 2 p.m. And that is where I stopped pre-planning. From Saturday onwards. I planned pretty much in real time, but I just didn't want to be stressed too much about planning when I had to study for my exam. So when I was finally done, I used an emoji head to mark in that I was finally done, of course lettering that in because I was really excited. And now after this, we'll have to do the second level of history, and then the third one, and then we're pretty much done. But from the planning sticker book from TCMC, I also used a planner to mark in that I catched up in all of my planners. Not only this one, I caught up in my bullet journal and my mini happy planner. On Saturday, I used a waving emoji to mark in that I had to help my sister move her stuff. And then for lunch, I marked in that we had lunch with relatives. And then lastly, in the late afternoon, I used a flag left over from a kit and also a working emoji to mark in some things I had to do. For Sunday, I started off with a to-do list, of course with my zebra Mildliner, marking some things I had to do. Like, I filmed a vlog a month ago. I don't know if I'll ever go up at this point. Some camera stuff and charging batteries. I also made a swatch with my Tombow. It is the N65, and put a work script sticker, and also marked in that I had to upload a video, and this will be my first one since a while. So yeah, we are nearing the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.